Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Your makwa baba Sandy Home Recipe. Tinani da di kan a wo hwe video a mema we fi subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa mia notification bell no say the video bia beto a unsa beka and ebesua se be chocolate cake. In fact, se wudi cake we ya uni cake bia gbe se no a the be use 1.5 cup all-purpose flour. Now the 3 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. Now the 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then half teaspoon baking soda. Uria na wa kanu nyina ye den amese. Now the 3 tablespoons sugar. Now we dey we dey agum na wa kanu nyina ye den afra. Na ya use half cup milk we hwe agum. Now the sunflower oil 3 tablespoons. Now the kosua mienu agba agum. With the vanilla at 1.5 aka una fe there with the hand mix ahead ebiti amani na for me. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the notification bell to get new video you post. Now the 3 tablespoons coffee the egg no so the say any with the half teaspoon vinegar the egg no e ko so the ebiti. When we no we share go prepare baking pan mo into your greasy so that now we share go no we bake in 180 degrees for 35 minutes. You use 1 cup milk. Now the 3 tablespoons sugar there I can request jaso. With the 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. Now the 2 tablespoons corn flour the account wa koso ye the enunum. Said the enya pa and a little bit decorate a cake no. We are now the 30 gram butter the egg no koso ye the enunum. Please remember to subscribe, share, like, and also click the notification bell to get new video we will post. And to why we na there we do no wa sone so say the ababia e de enkum. We are now e den we dey si ho na wa koyi cake na fi oven nim. Enti cake we cake na we no watwitwa edges no uwie a na wa eden watwa esro no wa chemu 4. So wudi cake we as a chocolate cake ya uni cake bia bim eje se we nkwa esan se eye de pa se eneni da edi kan a wo hwe ye video a mema we mfi so be subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa draw or comment. Afen so no amia notification bell say the video bia beto wa won side den ebeka. Wow, very soft. We another 2 cake board so now the chocolate ganache ne what spread it was nyina so we another second one so ato so now what I spread it ganache was so supposed to me nyina de ebesa. Because why now the last one here then after so now I spread the chocolate in here then it was so. In fact, so this cake we are to say uni cake beer but this we nkwa the pan. We are now there was strawberry there then at the crate here then it was uni beer on fine there any blueberry to the other one away the way you so. In fact, cake we I am very fine. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the notification bell to get new video you post. Now this is our chocolate cake. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.